In this video, you will learn how to perform a comparison of two files or groups of files. This is useful when the differences between two versions of source code need to be quantified. Logging into EZ-Metrix, and click on the Compare Files link to begin. We will be logging in as a basic user. Select the language you wish to compare from the drop-down rule list. Here we will select the Java programming language. If the desired language does not appear on the list, a rule will need to be created for it. View our video on creating rules to learn how to do this. After selecting your language, you may provide a session name for the report that you are about to create. Although this is optional, it can be used to identify what is being measured. For example, compare version 1 to version 2 Java. If a session name is not provided, EZ-Metrix will set this field to the date and time of the measurement session. Next, we browse for the folder which contains the old version of our source code. This source code will serve as a basis of our comparison. To do this, click on the Browse button, then navigate to the desired folder and click OK. As you can see, the path and folder name appear in the old version directory field. Next, we will select the source files we wish to compare that are stored in the folder we just selected. Click on the Get Files button, and all files in the old version folder, plus all subfolders, are listed in the text box below. If there are files of more than one language, or binary files included, you will need to remove these from the listing before running your comparison. This can be easily done by selecting the unwanted files from the text box and simply deleting them. Next, we will repeat the steps we did above for the new folder and the files within that folder. Once we have the files from the old and new directories, we will run the comparison. Confirm the comparison that you would like to run by clicking on the Yes button, and wait briefly while EZ-Metrix calculates all the metrics within both old and new folders. This will provide you with a full report of the files and each individual line count for the entire set of files. As you can see from this report, we have a general section at the top about the session, followed by a section that describes the file changes, followed by the detailed file-by-file metrics